Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can optimize the graphic settings on the One Piece Bounty Rush PC game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the One Piece Bounty Rush game on your PC, and once you are taken into the main menu, click on the menu icon at the top right corner. Now click on Options, and then within the system settings, you will find the performance options. You have various different presets from the high-end regular mode as well as the light mode. You can try using the high-end mode first, and once it is selected, you can go back to your game and test out these settings. If you notice any performance issues, then you can go back into the system settings and then try the regular mode. Now once again, go back to your game and see how the regular mode performs. If you still need some tweaking, you can try the light mode, or you may also go into the advanced settings. Now you can define your window mode as well as your refresh rate. Now if you're noticing any screen tears, make sure VSync is turned on. And you can also try reducing the anti-aliasing quality if you notice any performance issues. You can try reducing the level of anti-aliasing as well. And you can also reduce the texture quality. Try lowering the preset by just a single step and then going back into your game to see how these settings will perform. Once you have found the perfect balance of performance and quality within your gameplay, you can play with these optimized settings. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to optimize the graphic settings on the One Piece Bounty Rush PC game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.